All right, so you're looking into Jaya College of Engineering and Technology for your engineering admissions. You've definitely come to the right place. We're going to break down everything you and your parents need to know. First things first, remember this number. The TNEA code is 1221. Let's dive in.
So, what makes this college stand out? Let's get straight to it. 3 things you should know right away. 1, it's been around since the year 2000. 2, it's a Telugu linguistic minority institution. Now that's a big deal if you belong to the Telugu community, as it can affect admissions. And 3, its location is super convenient, right on the Chennai-Bangalore National Highway.
Okay, let's start with the basics. Here are the must-know details about Jaya College.
All right, let's break it down. The full name is Jaya College of Engineering and Technology. The TNEA code, like we said, is 1221. You'll need that for counseling. It's a self-financing engineering college, and it's recognized as a linguistic minority institution for the Telugu community. You'll find it in Poonamallee and the Tiruvallur district, and it was established back in 2000.
Now, this is something you absolutely need to understand for admissions. How are the seats filled? Well, it's pretty straightforward. 65% of the seats come under the government quota, meaning they are filled through TNEA counseling. The other 35% are for the management quota.
Okay, let's talk about the college's background. Who founded it? Is it properly approved? You know, the important stuff that builds trust.
So the college is run by the Jaya Educational Trust, which was founded by Professor A. Kanagaraj.
And what's their goal? What are they trying to achieve? Well, the Trust's mission is all about providing quality technical and higher education. They also really focus on instilling a sense of discipline, so their students can graduate as competent and talented engineers. And when it comes to academics, the college is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. For anyone looking to study engineering in Tamil Nadu, this is a huge green flag. It means the curriculum and standards are set by the university.
Now pay close attention to this. This is absolutely crucial. The college is approved by the AICTE for the academic year 2025-26. You should never, ever join a college without this approval, because it's what makes your degree valid. So check this box. They have it.
All right, so we've covered the college's background and approvals. It's on solid ground. Now for the part you're probably most excited about. What engineering programs do they actually offer? Let's take a look.
So, for the TNA 2026 admissions, the total number of approved undergraduate seats across all branches is 180. That's the total intake.
So how do those 180 seats break down? Let's see. You've got Computer Science and Engineering, that's CS, with 30 seats. Then there's Electronics and Communication, or EC, also with 30 seats. And the other 2 branches have a bigger intake. Mechanical Engineering, or ME, has 60 seats, and so does Medical Electronics Engineering, which has the code MD.
And speaking of medical electronics engineering, that's a really interesting one. It's actually the newest branch they've started, back in 2022. If you're someone who's fascinated by the mix of healthcare and technology, this is a field with a lot of potential, so it's definitely a program to keep an eye on.
Okay, academics are super important, but what's it actually like to be a student there every day? Let's talk about the practical things, like the campus, the hostels, and how you'll get there.
If you're thinking about staying at the hostel, here's what you need to know. Yes, they have separate permanent hostels available for both boys and girls, and the mess serves both veg and non-veg food, so you have options.
What if you're a day scholar? Getting to campus is made pretty easy. The college has its own transport system, with buses running on over 10 routes that cover different parts of Chennai and through Tiruvallur.
And just to give you an idea of how far their buses go, they cover key areas like Tiruvallur itself, Manavaram, Tambaram, Velachery, Manali, Patalime, and Avadi, so there's a good chance there's a route near you.
For those of you who prefer taking the train, the nearest railway station is Avadi. It's about 8 kilometers away from the college campus.
All right, let's get to the question that's on every parent's mind. What's the return on investment? We're talking about placements and scholarships. Let's see what the numbers say.
First up, the big number. The college reports a placement rate of 80%.
And where does this number come from? This is important. It's not just a marketing figure. This 80% is the placement rate from their most recent batch, and it's what they've officially reported in the TNEA 2025 data, so it's a credible number. Now, what about financial support? Well, there are several government scholarships that eligible students can apply for. You have the SC/ST tuition fee scholarship, the scholarship for BC/MBC/DNC students, and of course, the very helpful First Graduate Scholarship. There's also a minority scholarship from the Government of India and a post-matric scholarship for OBC students. So,
As we wrap this up, just a quick note. All the information we've shared today is based on what's available on the college's official website and other trusted government portals at the time we put this together.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.